How can I improve my fuel economy?
There are several things you can do to get the most out of your fuel economy. Let's talk about a few that can help you save time and money at the pump. Different engines can impact your vehicle's MPG, like the EcoBoost engine, which is designed to provide impressive performance, excellent torque, and enhanced fuel efficiency. However, like with any gasoline engine, there are still a few things you should keep in mind. Driving the speed limit is one of the easiest things you can do to help improve or have more consistent fuel economy, because the faster you go, the more gas you use. Accelerating and braking affects it too, so try to stop and start more gradually to help keep your fuel consumption consistent. Also, use your cruise control on level roads when possible. It can help save gas by controlling your speed so you won't be pumping extra fuel into your engine. And plan ahead. Coast up to traffic lights that are red so you don't have to brake too hard. Make sure to keep enough space between you and the car in front so you can come to a slow, easy stop. And, if safe to do so, change lanes when you see the car ahead of you waiting to turn. That way, you don't have to brake and then accelerate again. Finally, when possible, steer clear of routes that typically have heavy stop-and-go traffic and a lot of stoplights, since idling can burn a quarter to a half gallon of fuel per hour. Still with me? Then let's talk about a few more things that you can do to improve your fuel economy. Wind resistance and weight are a significant factor in your vehicle's MPG, so be aware that using anything that adds to it, like a cargo carrier or roof-mounted bike rack, can affect your mileage. And avoid carrying any unnecessary weight, which may also decrease your fuel efficiency. It's also important to know that upgrading to larger or rugged wheels and tires can increase weight and rolling resistance, affecting fuel economy. Using accessories like air conditioning, heated seats, and defrosters draw power from your vehicle and reduce your MPG. So limit their use whenever possible, and turn them off when you shut off your vehicle so they're not automatically on when you restart it. Of course, it's always important to keep up with your scheduled maintenance, so use the recommended grade of motor oil, replace dirty air and fuel filters, and make sure you're driving on properly inflated tires. And keep in mind, every vehicle has a break-in period, so fuel economy is best measured after you've driven those miles. To learn more about your vehicle's fuel economy, see the related videos in the Your Fuel Economy series, or visit FordOwner.com.